Having stated the agenda, I invite you to join me view the video clips collected during the incident.
Morning, Raul po. Ano pong, sir, give me plano lang.
O, sir, salubungin lang namin, sir.
Yung warrant, sir, si-serve
Yes, sir,
nyo.
may taga-PCTC. May
Ah.
taga-Interpol.
Interpol.
Yes, sir.
So kayo ang lead, sir?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Kumusta ka, sir?
Hindi mo pwedeng...
Sige, sir.
Warrant. So, you will just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you. That is a serious illegal detention.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte cries out illegal detention at Villamor Air Base after he was served an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The former president was arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport on Tuesday, March 11. Duterte's arrest came amid a case before the International Criminal Court for alleged crimes against humanity during his administration's war on drugs.
For and against you in the court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 718 of the same statute for murder, sir. Buhay ko, sir. Buhay ko, sir.
Generally speaking, sana nakaprepare po kami, hindi na namin ang mga gamot na kailangan.
Sir, this is a police operation. Ganito po naman, sir. Ulitin natin ulit, sir. Sandali mo na. Square one. Are you saying I place the former president under arrest?
Daniel, matanda pa.
The issue here is for you to choose three people to accompany here. May bus dyan. And you will get a plane. For the highway, charter flight.
Chartered flight from... So we need to bring in our president. Sir, we need to know, please, information where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yung
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
hardware.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Sorry, you will do that for
That's
me.
precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano
That's
yung
precisely
please. Bawal
the right to counsel is something that has to be observed and
Huwag
respected.
kayong umawa. Kaya nakipakialam sa kanila. Huwag yan. Baka mo ano yung lawyer. Baka mo ano yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan.
Yung mga
Huwag mo hawakan yung nanay ko.
tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanong nga. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
Ako na yung anak ko.
Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Pero hihilain ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to him.
Is that our intention?
Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes, sir. Hindi pa pasukin, sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes, sir.
hindi mo
Upon my order.
hindi mo pinapasok.
Yes, sir. Upon my order, sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae,
They can visit you at your detention center, sir.
Hindi nila ako pinapapasok dito sa airbase. Nakiusap ako kung pwedeng makausap ko personal si former President Rodrigo Duterte para mabigyan ko siya ng instructions and then makabigay din siya ng instructions sa si General Marbil daw ang in charge ng buong Villamor Military Air Base. Saan ka ba naman nakahanap ng military air base na Chief PNP ang in charge at siya ang nagsasabi kung sino ang pwedeng pumasok at hindi pumasok.
But you are the second highest official dito sa ating bansa. Pero parang pamumulitika ba ito sa tingin niyo?
Alright, oo. Very much pamumulitika ito. Kahit ang ibang bansa nagsalita na.
Eh, mabit ka namin.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.